This is another session where I'm going to show you how you can grow your money very easily. So I have 111.30 British pounds. I'm going to risk 4% of the money and aim for 10% profit. So let's first calculate what that is. So 111.30. So I'm going to be I'm going to be aiming $11. I'm going to be risking. So this is a business of longevity. So we're going to be risking 4.4. All right. So we're going to be doing over 3. So use this bot called Martingale bot. So just click on it. It's going to load up. So what does the bot do? So we have a market here, 10-on-S, continuous indices, digits. It's on contract type both, but this should not worry you because down here is where it decides what to purchase. Then this is a stake, how much you're risking. So ours is 4.4. Our prediction is 3. Our martingale is 2. If we lose, it's going to trade with 8.8. If we lose again, it's going to trade with 16.2. Then you can change these to over and minimize it. So this bot doesn't have take profit, but it has the martingale. So you stop it yourself. Never accept more than 3 consecutive losses. So how do you get a market? Go to D analysis. We're looking for a market where 0 to 3 are below 10.4 or thereabout. And then the green bar, which is the most appearing digit, is above 3. The blue bar, which is the second least appearing digit, is above 3. And the red bar, which is the least appearing digit in 1,000 ticks, is also above 3. Then the orange bar, which is the second most appearing, is also above 3. So once you change the market here, let's start with 10-on-S because the bot is on 10-on-S. You can click on bot builder and you're going to see the same. The other settings are going to be maintained. So none of these meet what we're looking for, but the percentages are okay. But the least appearing and the blue bar are on the lower side. So let's see if we find a better market. This one, no. This one also no, because 2 is second least appearing, and you can see the 0, the blue bar is on this other end. Okay, 0 is at 10.2, 1, 9.7, 3, nope. 51S, you can already see that is not a good market, so never rush yourself. If your money, you're risking. So let's see if this one changes, but you can see 2 is frequently increasing. I like the 1S markets, that's why I'm not even checking the others. None of the markets seem to be okay. You just go full circle again. This is a good one. So what is our entry? Our entry is the cursor has to touch 3, then touch 2 or 0. Let's go. So just put your hand close to the run button. 3. Nope. Let's see if the 2 leaves outside, because 2 is at 9.2 currently. So there's no hurry. This is our own money. Always remember that. This is our money. Our money. So 3. Let's see. It has to touch 3, then 2, and then 0. I think 2 and 0 are even numbers. Let's see. That 2 is not in a good position, but we are just, because you see now 2 has become the least appearing. These 2 can mess us up. So let's just give this market some time. If not, we're going to come and risk on that one. This one, 3 is not in a good place. 51S. 1 is at 8.7 and 3 is also not good. 75 on S. Yes, this one is good. So it has to touch 3. 2 is also increasing, so we need to keep an eye on that. But let's see. Let's see. 3, 0. Let's go. 3 rounds. 1, 2, and the last one. and then we stop this run, stop it there. So $7, we still have 4 more to go. So we still have 2 runs. Ideally 2 runs. But this market now is changing. One has gone to 10.5. It was going to 10.4. We can check the 10. Was it 10 on S or 25 on S? Yes, this apart from this 0 and 2, because 0 can easily become the least appearing. But now it seems to be okay. So let's see. While we wait for now, this one can become a problem because you're seeing 0, 2, and 3 are trying to compete to be the least appearing. But let's see what plays out here. So never, ever rush your money. Remember, this is your money, hard-earned money. You look for this money yourself, so don't let these guys just take it from you simply. They can give you money, but they can also take from you. This is a business. So these guys are looking for money. We are also looking for money. At 31S. 3 is at 11.4, so not quite. 51S, this one, what market was this? We traded. This was 75 on S, strictly higher than 3. Let's see, 75 on S. Remember, we are targeting 11. That's 10% of our account. 11. There's no hurry. If we don't get it, remember we already had a morning session where we made $10 because we started at 100 pounds. So this is 7 British pounds. So we would rather listen to stories and have fun if the market doesn't want to give us an entry than go in and lose our money, right? 25 on S. Nope. 30 on S. Nope. 50 on S. Nope. 25 on S. Nope. Yo, there are days like this when you simply can't find anything to trade. So don't force it. Don't force it. Okay. 10 on S. You can see now this can easily go bad. But let's see. So we're looking for 3. So we'll keep a close eye on these digits. So make sure it doesn't change on us. You can see 1 is frequently increasing. But let's see. It's still below 10.5. No, it's gone back. Let's see. Let's see. No. So it's 3 to 2 or 3 to 0, not any other pattern. And that 1 is increasing a lot. That's going to cause us trouble. 15 on S, no. 25 on S, no. 30 on S, no. Those ones are above 11%. 50 on S, no. 75 on S. You can see 1 is at 10.8. 90 on S. So gentlemen, it seems like we're not gonna get a market here. So I think we call it a session. Let's look one last time. Look at 2. Yo, look at nah. No. Nah, it seems like there's no money for us right now. 91S. No. All right, so let's call it a second session with that. So that is 7.35 British pounds, as you can see on the journal. So we just took 3 trades and we won all the 3 trades. So if there's no conditions to trade, don't trade. It's your money. Tomorrow we're gonna have 118 instead of having less than this because we risked on a market that wasn't good. So let's start there tomorrow on our first session. And I hope 3 sessions are going to be great for you. You're going to learn a lot, and it's going to teach you consistency in trading. Also, make sure you comment with anything that you want to learn next, and I'm going to be doing a video on it.